Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. New music on the horizon for Ikaya. Known for her heartfelt love songs and powerful sultry vocals, recording artist Ikaya is assuring fans that new music is on the way. Following her performance at the RJ Arena Cross Country Roadshow, Ikea gave an update on her musical moves.
Start My Line is out. Sex the Badness is still out. The video is out. I'm excited about the Pressure song, which is coming very soon. Keep Up, which is produced by Frankie Music, that is out right now. So just a whole lot of things in the making, and more videos, more songs. Yeah. So it's gonna be a great 2020, and I'm excited about it.
Ikea is best known for songs such as Hard Way, Ugly Girl, and Leave You Alone featuring Jesse Royal.
Hard way to listen what his mama say. He love the hard way. You see him down to the price he pays.
Now, Reggae Sumfest 2020 getting into high gear. The Reggae Sumfest team is declaring its readiness for the 2020 festival season with the launch of online ticket sales. Tickets, which will go on sale tomorrow, will be available online, including Ultra VIP and General Access tickets for the 2 festival nights. Flash sales, which offer discounts for a limited time, would also be available online only. The festival, which has already signed Grammy winner Coffee and dancehall star Spice for Reggae Night and Dancehall Night respectively, will also feature rising dancehall star Daddy One, as well as London-based DJ Styler G. Reggae Sumfest activities for 2020 will commence in Kingston with the Get Social Awards in June and then the Symposium on July 10. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.